up guys, it's your girl Ray in here and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to the lovely family. Hi guys, good morning guys. What's up guys, it's your girl Ray in here and welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't posted in a while. Your girl has been a bit busy, but it is... First, let me clear my notifications so that y'all don't have to see that. So it is currently 10:01 on March 25th. Also, don't mind my nails. I'm about to go to the nail shop as soon as I'm done. You also may see me eating in this video. My breakfast, it's a really late breakfast considering I've been up since 7:30, but for the past few days I've been eating parfaits in acai bowls. So this is basically a parfait in a bowl that's spread out like an acai bowl. So I have vanilla Greek yogurt. These are oats with honey and sesame seeds and some mixed berries. So there are raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries, and I've really been enjoying this for the past few days. And then I also have a caramel macchiato coffee that I made in my Keurig, but it's in the freezer right now because I don't want it hot. Honestly, it's really in the freezer because I waited too long to drink it and it was like lukewarm, so I put it in the freezer so that it can get cold. That way it could be like an iced caramel macchiato, you know? And then I also have a couple strips of turkey bacon over here on the side. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime. And I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus primer, Prep and Prime spray. I'm going to take my e.l.f. eye primer and prime my eyelids. Come say hello. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi. Look. Oh, you're so white. Jesus, they can't see you. Say hello. Say hello. Okay. Alright. Your nails are really long and you're scratching me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my light browns. I'm going to take a light brown it's almost like a tan color, a tan shade. And I'm just going to take that on my Wet n Wild blending brush and literally blend that into my crease and higher. I'm going to take an even darker brown, not too much darker, but like definitely darker than the one that I just used. And the only reason that I'm not necessarily naming like the palette that I'm using this stuff from, it's not a secret, it's just that I use these palettes in every video. And I'm kind of not tired of them, but I am sort of over just having the same things. So I'm going to go buy some more later on today actually. And now I'm going to take a flat brush and my MAC Fix Plus, spray that, dampen that a little bit. And I'm not going to cut my crease using concealer. I'm just going to take a gold shimmer and basically pack that onto my lid. So lately I have been on the hunt for some new makeup brushes and sponges and all of that good stuff, but mostly makeup brushes. I'm going to use my Sephora Colorful Wink It Felt Liner. This is a black eyeliner, and I'm going to give myself a winged eyeliner. The foundation I'm going to be using is this Maybelline Dewy Smooth Foundation in the color Mocha. I did not mean to grab this concealer. This is not the one I wanted. But this is the one I got, and I'm not going back in there for another one. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Almond. Why? Because I'm too lazy to go back in my room and get the correct shade, which is Fawn. But hey, this will just be a video of wrong shades. And now I'm just going to set this. So I'm not going to actually bake because I stopped baking a long time ago. So your girl does not bake her face. To be honest, I'm definitely feeling like I want to take this whole face off except the eyes and start over. But considering I have like so many videos to film today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, I'm going to keep it on. There's no salvaging this. And I have like some stuff I need to do, some errands to run and everything. Okay, so now that I am like completely over this look, I'm gonna go ahead and spray with my MAC Fix Plus. I'm not worried about no eyelashes because I don't want to put any on. I do have highlighter on, it's very subtle. Alright, put these dang on lips on. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing me struggle. I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.